Hello, here are our learning menus for Monday, September 22nd to Friday, September 26th. Some things to remember is that for homework this week, the kids do not have their writing calendar. They do not have to work on happy numbers. They just need to study for the science test that's on Thursday. We also have picture day on Friday. Every child will have their individual picture taken because it goes into their folder in the office. They have each of their individual photos from kindergarten on, so that it's very cute to see all their little faces changing each year. We will also take our class photo, so everyone should dress appropriately for our class photo. So we begin Monday with science. We're going to complete our marble collision experiment, and the study guide will be sent home along with their student reader and their science notebook. And I'm also attaching flashcards in the study guide for you to use, but everything that they need is in our Google Classroom. The kids will go to art and we'll have snack for math today. We're going to round to any place using real world applications. Blah. And for literacy, we're going to complete our glitter trap organizers and complete our written response and do 2 pages in our Mega Words book. After lunch and recess, we have our second session of Place Value Math Win, and that is Monday. Tuesday is the very first day of, well, it's the 23rd actually. Hold on. It's the very first day of chorus. Anyone can go. The form is attached, and Ms. Camo wants everyone to join. You don't have to have the perfect voice. She just loves the more the merrier. When the kids go to chorus, those left behind will have work to do, and the 4th grade teachers have collaboration. Then we will do work on writing, and the kids are working on would you rather be an octopus or a parrot. So they're going to complete their organizer and begin the rough draft of their writing. Where am I? Oh, then we'll have snack, go to gym. For math today, the kids are taking their topic B and C quiz. And for literacy, we're going to begin reading The Case of the Missing Plant. And then after lunch and recess, we have science, and they will have time to study for the test. That's on a Thursday. On Wednesday, we begin with Miss Alexa for social emotional learning, and the kids go to gym. For writing, they're going to start the revise and publish their podcasts, and some will be able to perform their podcasts. They're not real podcasts, don't worry. After snack, we have math, and we're beginning our new topic, topic D, which is fluently adding and subtracting multi-digit numbers. For literacy today, we're going to complete our organizer for the case of the missing plant and complete the written response. After lunch and recess, we have science, and again, they'll have time to study. On Thursday, we begin with music, and then we will take the science test, the matter and energy unit test. Snack for math, again, we're going to work using tape diagrams and also using our knowledge of rounding numbers to see if our answer is reasonable. For literacy, we're beginning a new theme, finding a new topic, a theme of a text. So we're going to do some notice and wonder for the stories we're going to read. And then after lunch and recess, it's our 3rd session of Math Win. Friday, TGIF, September 26th, we begin with digital learning and then go to music. For writing today, we're going to practice quoting text. And then after snack for math, we're going to work on subtracting large numbers. And literacy, we're going to begin reading Black Brother, Black Brother. And it's about fencing. A coach and one of his students. And then we have lunch and recess. And because we took our science test, we can begin our first social studies topic, the geography of North America. We also have a library Friday afternoon from 1:45 to 2. And that is our week. Thank you very much.